Omneer is indire daynan.
Faranji, afaan Faranji hin beektaa?
Eegaa nan beeku.
I don't know which one to choose. Should I choose this one or this one? Guys, help me. Should I choose this one or this one?
Okay.
Nulamaani
Choice is me. The choice is me. I know I'm your favorite.
I should choose which one you.
Yes.
But I want to choose aslii. Who's this? Aslii.
What is this woman is very wrong woman.
Jesus Christ.
Yes, me. I want him.
You want the car?
Yeah. Which I'm so confused. Which one should I choose?
Okay, which one? Which one is ice cream?
You both look. Yeah, you know.
You want my butt? What is people?
You what?
You want?
Okay, where are you from and where is he from?
Maka gurguddaa itti kaa gurguddaa itti.
Yeah, he's from America, Texas. What is
Man, don't lie in Arabic. Allah will not forgive you.
Oh, which from you? Which from you want?
I'm from Egypt. Alhamdulillah.
MashaAllah. Egypt مليون. دكتور في الكويت. دعائي كيف لمت ما شاء الله.
Egypt naannoo kam jirta Erin?
Oh, you live in Alexandria or?
I want an Arabic guy. I want somebody who's a Muslim.
Listen. Which state? Which state live? Cairo.
Yes, correct.
Aramadi beektaa Erin?
Fayya qabdi.
Mara konqabu fayyallee oo maraatullee taatira konqabu jaarsuman qabaatiin malee maa rakkatte waa daabboon maraatti.
Jaarsan qabdu waan jaarsan. You live in Alexandria or?
Habibi maraattu yoo dhukkubsattu taate waa daabboon dhukkubsattii miti rakkoon qabu dhiisi ati gaafadhu. Ulee as gara galchi meeshaa harreetu ati dhaabatu.
Check my bio.
Doctor irratti utaanu malee jechaa jirtanii bara. Tasgabbaa doctor.
Check my bio. I wrote in Arabic.
Moshi, listen, please listen. Some minute, listen.
Feen anti fil Qaahira feen.
Walii galan.
Hello. فين موجود أنت في القاهرة؟
يا أنا هتبس خوه.
بيت أخوان عربي إنسان.
لا.
Okay, wait. I can do something.
I say where you to which you state? Say Cairo state. Where state? Which state you live in? Place.
I'll tell you in Arabic.
Place. Alexandria or Sharmadi, Sharul Gumuriya.
I tell you in Arabic. أنتي فين موجودة في
I am with aslii here. Can you please kindly tell him in Arabic that I like him?
أكيد أنا راح أخبره. يا أشلي الشخص اللي معاك بيقول إنه بيحبك. أتمنى تكون مبسوط.
أبو جنين في الدق سبيدان. أصلا سبيد سلاتين.
Tell him in Arabic that I'm single and you know what? I have been
Abo place Jennen, city Jennen, in Beit Miyo.
And I want a man now.
أنا راح أقول له أيضا يا أشلي الشخص اللي معاك بيقول إنه حاليا عازب وبيحافظ على نفسه حسب القرآن وهو حاليا بده رجل في حياته. إن شاء الله تلاقي لي نسبك.
ما جوجل
تجارة ديت
خير قدام أبو جوجل قافتو جرتي نبيع جوجل
إذا في أي شيء ثاني أنا جاهز.
So please tell him that I want a loyal man and also I want a man who will support me emotionally in Arabic.
راح أقول له يا أشلي الشخص اللي معك بيقول إنه بدها رجل وفي ومخلص وكمان يدعمها عاطفيا. إن شاء الله تلاقي لي نسبك.
أراكم غير سنة يا ربي سبيل.
مثل كده بقى أجلس جالين زمان الرؤية الله جل كان عنجرتي.
واني وان في اللي كده كفكت.
برابانة ولد بنوره.
سجد سافي ديتن.
An ergannan wa profiling bareda olna kebar beko.
Mushi. Please stand up. I want to see you. Back.
You want to see what? My bam bam?
Your body, your everything. I want to see you.
My bam bam. There.
Bakabaran nagar sisi girti.
You want to see the
Back.
bam bam?
I want to see all your body, your clothes, and everything. Right now.
Eh. Okay, wait.
Okay, I wait you.
Please tell him that Islam does not allow men to ask women to reveal their bodies because he wants to tell me that I must show my body on TikTok live and I am wearing a short. So tell him in Arabic what rules Islam.
اكيد راح اقول له يا اشلي الاسلام ما بيسمح للرجال انهم يطلبوا من النساء انهم يكشفوا اجسادهم خاصه على منصات خلينا نلتزم.
Islam ni hudud ala hintaw haramat injirani.
Did you hear that? Please repeat it. They didn't hear this one. They don't listen.
No, not repeating. Don't repeat.
راح اكرر له مره ثانيه يا اشلي الاسلام يسمح للرجال بطلب من النساء الكشف عن أجسادهم خصوصا على منصات مثل تيك توك لايف. لازم نحترم القيم والآداب الإسلامية. إن شاء الله تكون رسالة وصلت.
Just okay. Thank you.
But I want you, Asli. What's wrong with you now?
You want me?
Yes.
You want these guys?
I want him, yes.
Oh.
I like
You
the
want
gap.
me or
That's why I want him. I love that gap.
You want
You see
to
that
chill?
gap?
You want to chill with these guys?
Yeah, you see that gap? Is
Sit
the
up
gap?
over. Sit up
It's a
over.
gate to heaven.
Yeah?
Look up there.
That gap is a gate to heaven. So that's why I want him. I want to enter heaven.
Mal tu kufe.
Sit up. Is how you want to go over.
Jarti ka bajarin tare. Jaririn jattani barbado ambera gidi.
Ingili panjarti ka baje chumbe par. Rakonti.
Kidlala ka bone lona le bone magali bone kidlala ka bone batho ba.
Awa wala biye nu right bi jarti ka baye andala gidi barbado.
Kana how you walar ko bara geti ma geti tima. You want these guys here, right?
Yes.
You know la. To kom fada. To kom tasli.
Biye kana girdi bar taru.
Yes, gachin gira nan jette bar khairon gira. Isaw ki walar ko fada.
Esa tutela targu fe tayri.
Ega kas sharia gafatu girti bar yo rar kemal kaba yo waltu ni sharia tikkami mjangu muslima bakata. Sharia islamat waltu wallalu intahu jen kali kitime o goboni gafatu girti. Tar ku bet.
Chat jibiti gawata yirti bar.
لا سبب انا اقول بكبره ولا رفت تاني نتيفيدنس
Ambola wala tikam no man tawadi ko ay anzibra na ergatte.
Listen, he have wives and 2 kids. These guys he have
Umri ni shatta madulla chayri
wife and kids.
And do you have wife and kids you?
Yeah, Asli.
I mean you. Now you.
Me?
Alhamdulillah I think today we tera. Alhamdulillah. Tafatane.
You love me?
Yeah, I want a man. So yeah, if he has kids and wife.
Wow. Okay.
Kana butu ko iluka kana. Kana oya. This singli.
شو أغرى يوتيزا؟ These guys is free.
This guys is filter is billich. Man is even not.
Okay, wait. Let me do this. Tell them, ask them in Arabic if they all have wives. We are on a co-host live on TikTok. It's the 4 of us, including me. So there's 3 guys. Ask them if they have wives and kids in Arabic.
طيب هسألهم يا شباب هل كلكم متزوجين وعندكم أولاد؟ خلينا نعرف إذا في حدا منكم متزوج عنده عائلة.
جرى قبل دي زميكم؟
Google Translate ya do sayir diba.
Google كنا يجرو.
Tell them that I'm not.
Ongo.
They should not even ask me what I'm using because it's my own secret. Don't tell them. Tell them in Arabic.
تمام راح اقول لهم انا مش عم استخدم
دكتور ناس دايت ساجل تميجونا
داعي يسالوكم
Miraba na ver yenna gowro ya sa yir qaltete.
ورا ما بيجي تنهيدي قد وي
Repeat again. They're talking a lot. They don't listen. These ones, they are tough heads. Can you please repeat it for them? Yo.
ولا يهمك راح اكررها مره ثانيه انا مش عم استخدم جوجل ترانسليت وما في داعي تسالوا شو عم استخدم لانه هذا سر خاص فيني وما راح اشاركه معكم. اتمنى تكون الرساله وصلت.
ما تجيبك
Okay, translate that in Hindu.
ضرور ماسكو هندي
Amne ji yoji aba je bi dawana.
استعمال नहीं कर रहा हूँ और आपको ये पूछने की जरूरत भी नहीं है कि मैं क्या इस्तेमाल कर रहा हूँ क्योंकि मेरा एक निजी राज है और मैं
Tapi ora jole tiara o jinjira nu salfachi thina.
دكتور ما جو جيت سلايشن
Inde wale.
Guys, tap the screen for me,
Moshi
please. Everybody
Moshi
tap.
listen tell me why you
Family
want
ni tiara o jinjira nu salfachi thina tapi gora. Ni
I
tiara.
must tell you one.
why you want please tell me
Why I what?
you are complaining negotiate why you want tell me don't afraid you want these guys or these guys you want a man
Yeah, I want a man.
هيروما في 80 مليون دبي يتفون
Mary de Abdi Ware.
What did you just say? Like, I don't
yes
understand.
Abdi is free Abdi is free
You
Abdi
single.
Abdi.
Me single.
yeah
No.
me I have
No, actually,
a
I'm
wife
fine.
and
I'm fine. I'll find. You know what? There are people who are following me. Saraj followed me. Maybe he will be my man, so it's fine. Cause I'm getting them following me here. So yeah, thank guys. Shout out. Thank you for the follow. Maybe you'll become my future husband. So yeah.
Ufte wara kamera ude namti.
fully ni asabarraga kam bakka da miyo
Koi gomsi ki ya wanno na rufu.
Mujibe kupon tusele. Kupon tusele kil.
Tapi gora musura o jinjira faranji. Faranji nu jalate ora mon tab goru di nu gilbite. Bara ko. Rabbi faranji biratu afura ke na urgeze woni se jara ramsani ba ni katari tapin kodani yadanka. Hai.
Guys, send a row.
Alhamdulillah. Rabbi
Abdi
ne ko faranji biratu no bete ko no beri faranji riba da ba yo tab ko tamal yadanka tani.
Thank you, but Richie. Guys, times 3, guys. Please, let's go, guys. Please, let's go. The one who gifts me the most will be my man. Let me chat with my thingy. Please tell the viewers that the one that gifts me the most will be my man in Arabic.
Trepel.
المشاهدين يعرفوا
Tadi ya ma.
اني اكثر هو اللي راح يكون
Kofi ani num te gomsi ki da ma. Tadi.
Jailu is coming what is people Sadim Bais
Eso es me vuelve.
Sima 50 مليون أصلي
Times 3, play on the triple, guys.
Never mind.
Why are you not playing, guys?
makeup ya bayra ka talate ni ifti kam
What language do they speak? What language do
One
they speak?
or filteri.
oh
What language do they speak? Okay, what language do they speak then?
¿Ya ves lo suelo?
You guys are saying they don't speak Arabic. What language do they speak? Oromo.
Faranji is
Oh, okay. Please say in Oromo that any man who gives me the most will be my man.
Man, astogami kabdi.
فأيقنا اني نملكها
Tap arguna.
Please tell them in Oromo that I am very much single and I need a man. I don't care if they are Oromo or Arabic.
Oromo
but
language,
it's fine
Oromo
because
language.
They love me. Listen, shh.
Oromo language fast food jedin.
سنجل دم نملي توكو نبربادا أفان أورمو يو كان أفان عربي فاتا وهن بربادو يو نجالة قاريدا
خسيجالة تنجرو سي خسيجالة تنجرو
Nuti jarti kamna.
nuti jaartii qabna jiin hofonfoltitti
Tell them in Oromo that the man that has followed me and maybe the one that gifts me the most, I will date them, and also the one that inboxes me and spoils me, I'll date them. Tell them in Oromo. I'm very serious. I need a man like serious agent as in yesterday.
Motsni hordofan hedduu jiru inni baay'ee naaf kennee yoo ta'e isaan waliin wal arguu nan danda'a akkasumas namni na quunnamsiisee naaf gargaare nan barbaada ani baay'ee dhugaa kanaaf yaada akkuma kaleessa baay'ee dhugaadha.
Deemi harree quunname.
Astaghfirullah. Doktor ma harreetti na chideettan ulee gijjaa'uu jira.
Nuti jaartii qabna nuti dulloota habibti. Thank you nu jaalachu ketti. Thank you for asking me in the zamano. Abona gargaartu sare.
I have wife and 4 kids.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Appreciate it. Thank you for asking love. Jaalala nu gaafachu ketti galatoomi jedhinka.
Yeah, thank you for
but we are busy.
Where are you? English kami ko ano ba?
Eka nuti busy na jaartii qabna jedhinati jaartii irratti balagatu barbaadda.
Batingiini nama batingiru Ingiliffa gaba
eka nuti busy da jedhin injettumo dubaashisi dawal silki jaartii dabaroo ni qabda fida rabbina haya injettu
Sudah jarame single me
injettu zamano
ya
mali
nuti haadha manaa qabna ilman qabna busy
Mushi
gaafachu ketti galatoomii jedhin adeemtu.
Sorry for you ask love. Me, I have a wife and 2 children. Aslii is like that. Boss, sorry, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, you guys that side you get married a lot.
Sorry, bye, go.
Bye.
Are koi no bye.
No bye. Dan target gat. No bye. No bye. Or biite saniti no. Makanamati no bye.
Okay, bye guys. Bye. Have a lovely stream. Bye. Lovely meeting you.
I'm
from South Africa, by the way. I'm from South Africa.
Mash.
South Africa, beautiful girl.
Yes. So bye.
I can irte. Nana ningirti gani akali da nerkat.
Yeah.
South Africa.
Go. See you. Nice to meet you.
Good morning.
Namiti mali South Africa bar mali beita shugutin bakka wal saaman sani giddin kokkeenu qabdeen nu gaalu barbaade namiti.